a BSP stablecoin on the agenda?
Actually, the stablecoin can also be, of course, the investors can move into that as well, but she should be aware of the risks attendant to that. And so for us is to way to go is to really to license the service providers so we can oversight over this virtual asset service providers.
Chuchi, I know that the BSP as well as the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, are looking at regulations which are right now in process, in the legislative process. I mean, there are Senate hearings on crypto as well as the DeFi. How are those going?
Oh, as far as SEC is concerned, they're actually in that stage right now, wherein they would, of course, really like to know more and understand the risks attendant to this type of virtual assets.
Yeah. Okay.
And what is your message, or rather, Chuchi, what is the sentiment amongst the banking industry, the legacy banking industry, towards fintech, towards decentralized finance? Is this potentially an existential threat to them, or do they see this as a necessary stage, and are they evolving and are they transforming themselves? And if so, where are they in this digital transformation, and how do they fit in with the ecosystem that you're trying to develop?
Yeah, of course, it's understandable that at first they would like to think it to be as a threat to them. But right now, we've noted certain partnerships between fintech companies, of course, and the banks. And so there are existing processes inside the bank that they have also availed of the services of third-party service providers. So it's actually a vibrant arrangement right now between non-banks, or let's say the fintech players, as well as that, of course, of the banks.
And the challenge for regulators globally is to let the market operate, let the market decide, but also have a necessary level of supervision. Where are you in terms of striking that balance, and how challenging is it to really find that happy median?
Yeah, actually, thank you for asking that question. Actually, for us regulators, we really want to strike the balance between providing an enabling regulatory environment for innovation to flourish,
yes,
but at the same time, of course, really ensuring as well the safety and soundness of the financial system. So that's the way that the regulator should really be adaptive, as I said, and agile as far as innovation and technology is concerned.